Hey Misfits, it's Stephanie here. I'm gonna do another tutorial video using the new Glassify base. So this is the updated base. We had to switch because the original base just was not printing well, and this base is the same except for it doesn't have the little space right there. So I put my finger in, put the magnet on, and you spin it, but this is as fast as you have to spin it, at least for most polishes. I mean, every magnetic polish is made differently with different materials, different ingredients. So you may have to mess around with it. But as of right now, this is real time. This is me just holding the top. I'm not letting go. I'm not doing the big spins. Holding gently. I'm not pressing down. I'm just spinning. And I'm not going to spin and do the top coat for this tutorial because I'm not keeping these colors on. I just want to show you that it's not, it does not have to be the full spin like that. You can if you want to, but if it's not working for you, slow it down. That's why we designed it the way that it was, so that it could be easier for people to use. But I think the issue is that because we've seen all these videos of these homemade ones, that we think we need to do it that way, and that's not the case. I'm keeping my hands on this the whole time. I'm never letting go. Just spinning back and forth. You can go fast like this or whatnot. And I'll do the next nail where I just spin freely too. But I just wanted to show you that it's not a requirement to do the big full spins. I just like doing it that way. It's fun. So here's the next one. I was told you can't get the tight bead doing that, so I just want to show you that you definitely can. There's your tight bead. You see two of them because it's a multi-chrome. The next one, sorry, I had to cut there. I heard a kid scream, had to go check it out. I'm back now, so we're gonna try again. Well, actually, I'm gonna paint this again. I had just painted it, but let's paint it again. Here we go. And again, we don't need to go crazy with this spinning either. And just barely touching the top and giving it a little twist. And I'm not doing these for the full time. I'm not putting top coat on to set them, but this is just to show you that you can use either method and get the same effect. So I'm going to do slow again on this nail just for a third time, and then I think we'll just call it good. This is long enough at this point. So slow, slow, slow. I just wanted to make this because I've seen a couple places there being some struggles with it, and I did not clearly explain that you can just do this because I loved spinning it fast, but I didn't think about the fact that maybe not everybody can do that. So we designed it this way on purpose, so you can do the slow spin, super easy, and then you're all done. So this one is one of my favorite magnetics. Ugh. So there you go. Fast or slow, you get the... And they're spreading because I did not spin them even close to a minute. I did not set them with top coat or anything. But this one is also a multi-chrome, and it is by far one of the coolest magnetics I have used. And you're like, Stephanie, what is it? Well, it's Wildflower lacquer, which is now royally, and it's called I Know What You Did, and it was a polish pickup one, so you'll have to get it out of a D-stash. You can't get it anywhere else. So I hope this video helps some of us. I don't want you to struggle with the tool. I I really should have explained that you don't have to spin like super fast. Spinning it slow is perfect for the design you want to get. So, have a good day.